Kia ora anō e hoa mā. It's a beautiful day outside, so my whānau and I are going for a swim. One of my favourite things to do in the water is blow bubbles, ngā miru miru, like this. I know, I'm pretty talented, right? Well, never fear, Auntie Anika is here to show you how to blow bubbles too. And don't worry if it looks tricky, we'll go one step at a time and you'll be doing it before you can say tahi, rua, toru, whā, pukana. Step 1, blow on your hand like this. See, it's easy. Step 2, take a straw and blow through it onto your hand like this. I know, I'm a very talented straw blower. Now, step 3, blow through the straw into a bowl of water. Just make sure you take your mouth off the straw before you breathe in again. Ta-da! We did it! Kārawe, great work. Right, it's time for a swim. Remember to take your grown-up with you. You could teach them how to blow bubbles too. Kia pai te rā.